In this part of our lesson, we are going to be talking about traveling. And there is some certain vocabulary that we need to know. And let's make sure that we know all the words which are necessary when we talk about traveling. So, let's have a look at the given words. A camera, a mobile, or you can also say a mobile phone, keys, a diary, a passport, a magazine, a credit card, an MP3 player, and earphones. So earphones is this tool, electric tool that you put in your ear when you want to listen to music. So newspaper, toothbrush, sweater, sunglasses, a watch, a purse, a ticket, a laptop, and shampoo. A laptop and shampoo. And we can see most of these objects on the given picture. So if you want to know a name of a certain object, you can ask a question. What is this? So, for instance, what is this? This is a pen. And you can ask this question to know the name of any object. It doesn't really matter. And now we are going to read a passage. And then we will do some exercises related to that. So take it or leave it. With only 10 kilograms for your carry-on bag, what is important to take? So it means that which objects are really important for us to take when we travel somewhere, when we are allowed to take 10 kilograms only. So it's not a lot actually. So we have to choose only important objects. Now, electrical things, MP3 player, good music and audiobooks. Put it in your bag. Audiobooks is when you listen to recordings of books. We can read books, and of course we can listen to how somebody reads books. So recordings of books, it's called audiobooks. Mobile phone, put it in your pocket, but take the charger in your bag. Charger. Now what is charger? Charger is the device that you plug into socket so that your phone can get enough charge. This is called charger. So to keep your battery full on your phone, you need a charger. Camera. Is your mobile a camera too? Then leave your camera at home. Earphones. Good for watching DVDs on your laptop. Put them with your mobile phone. Earphones, laptop. In your bag with an adapter, of course. Now, pay attention to the word adapter. Adapter, again, is a device which you need for your battery to be full on your laptop. Practical things. Diary. With all your important travel and contact information, put it in your bag. Keys. Put them in the bag so they are easy to find. Passport and ticket, of course, these are important, so have them in a pocket on your bag. Purse. Coins are a problem at security. Put them in a purse in your bag. Yes, meant to. So these are practical things, and now we are moving to other things. Magazines and newspapers. Leave them at home. They are free on the plane, so they are not necessary. Shampoo. Most hotels, they have shampoo, or buy it in town. Sunglasses. Go in your pocket or on your head, not in the bag. So you can keep them in your pocket or on your head, and you can free some space in your bag. You don't need to put them in the bag. Sweater. Wear it. It's good for the plane if it's cold. Toothbrush and toothpaste. Maximum 100 milligram in your carry-on bag. Now, if we look at these objects, we can see a charger here. So this is the charger for the phone, charger. Then we also have an adapter. We have coins, coins, we have a toothpaste, and the last item is a mobile phone. A mobile phone. Great. So these are important objects to have with you when you travel somewhere. So this vocabulary was necessary to talk about traveling. And before we move further, we have to make a little stop for grammar. In the next part, we will cover an important grammar aspect, and then we will get back with our activities. See you in the next part.